Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to redeem a Starbucks gift card online. Step 1. Open the Starbucks app. Open the Starbucks app on your iPhone. Then sign in or create a Starbucks account if needed. Step 2. Go to the cards sections. Tap pay or cards at the bottom of the screen. This is where all Starbucks gift cards are stored. Step 3. Add your gift card. Tap add card, enter the gift card number and security code or scan the card using your camera. Tap add to redeem it to your account. Step 4. Check your balance. Once added, your gift card balance will appear immediately on the screen. Step 5. Order online using the gift card. Tap order in the app, choose your store, pick your items and go to checkout. Select your Starbucks gift card as the payment method. Step 6. Confirm and place order. Review your order, then tap place order. Your gift card balance will be used automatically. And that's how to redeem a Starbucks gift card online using your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.